Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. So today I am going to show you 3 amazing hacks which will include blending, how to make colorful backgrounds and also a simple double pen hack. Watch the video till the end. For blending, you will require either brush pens, a very thick paper, and a transparent sheet. So you can use a Ziploc bag also, and a rough cloth, and some old newspaper which you can put it below, some water, and a paintbrush. So then on the clear sheet now, you start applying your colors. You can use sketch pens also, you can try it out. I'm using brush pens and I'm applying 3 different colors. After this, with the help of my paintbrush, I'm just putting all over water. When you flip over your clear sheet, make sure that you wipe away all the other water from your paper and also from your clear sheet so that the water doesn't stick by. So वो paper इसीलिए है because otherwise your workstation or whatever table will get all messy. This is how your amazing colorful background very easily बन जाता है, and then you can do your artwork simple and sweet. For the second hack of blending, again you can take any brush pen. मैंने yellow लिया है and उस पे I'm applying a little bit of orange color. तो जब भी I'll do my calligraphy, I will get a blend of two different colors. तो ये बहुत ही simple है. This is a very easy art hack to do, especially if you like two different colors for your calligraphy. And now the last but the most interesting hack. इसके लिए you will need sketch pens, a rubber band and a paper. Simple. अब मैंने यहाँ पे 2 sketch pens लिए and I'm just securing it very firmly with the rubber band. And now इसमें the most important thing is don't write like you write with the normal pen. Tilt your pen a little towards the right, that is a little 75-degree angle. And then you start writing. तो उसमें आपको दोनों colors simultaneously दिखाई देंगे. You see how my pen is a little, both the sketch pens a little tilted towards the right. So this is a very cool hack. Of course it will need practice. मैंने भी ये first time try किया, but it is really very cool. And if you go to see इसके पुराने वीडियो में where I was showing you कि shadows कैसे बनाते हैं, तो this sort of looks like a shadow. This gives like a shadowy effect. So this is the double pen hack and I hope you try it out and you like it. So these are the 3 different simple yet interesting art hacks. I hope you like the video. If you do try it out, do let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.